Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is the second part to my PBC Lone Star Beer Boneyard Stew My Way video. And what I'm doing is I'm searing up my steak, my T-bone. And what I did is I went ahead and put some kosher salt and black pepper on both sides. And I've already done one side, so we're searing up the other side. I went like 5 minutes on one side and 5 minutes on the going to go 5 minutes on the other, and it's going to make it to like a medium rare, and that's where I want, is medium rare. And so that's what we're doing now on the pit barrel. And this steak is just about ready to come off. It's got about another, I'd say another minute or two, and then it's ready to come off. And then I'll have the next video coming, which will be part 3, and I'll show you what we do from there. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's about ready to come off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take it off, and by using my James Ross tongs. I want to give a shout out to you, James Ross. Use these, and these are the best tongs I ever had. And I have the third part coming up, and I appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.